Auntie Tay right now.
Maybe I should slow down my words right now.
We are redoing my lame room that is really boring and has trash in it into some really awesome room that doesn't have trash in it and has really cool stuff in it. So let's do this! We gotta measure this thing out now, because what if the box said something and it was incorrect and we made the wood and it was like this giant frame and I was just like stuck on this little thing, and then we had a big problem and we had to go buy more wood and we would lose a lot of money and then we can't make any more YouTube videos. That'd be a problem. What I'm doing is I gotta measure this out right now. Here we go. Okay, so I have to put on a sheet. I don't know why, but I'm putting on a sheet before the curtain to keep it nice and clean. So here we go. Now we're gonna put on the shower curtain. So here we go. Okay, so I'm sweating right now, and I think sweating means that you're done, but I don't know. So let's reveal it. Here we go. Ta-da! This is amazing, okay? Just soft. It's gonna be in my room, and it'll look amazing. Let's go hang it up. I got the sign, and this is my bro. Now we gotta take down all this stuff on the wall so that we can put on the next stuff on the wall. Yeah!
Hi, buddy.
Whoops, we can't have this sitting on the floor because it's the ukulele I did in the last one, even though I still haven't tuned it. Yeah! Now it is time to peel off the tape. This video the whole video is going to be on a series of different customizations of my room. As you can see, it was boring before this, 360. It's messy on the ground, do not show that. Oh boy. Okay, well, so we're gonna be redoing my room. Next video will be me redoing my desk, and I'll be like painting it and all stuff like that, and I'll hydrate it, probably another thing. But you'll just have to watch the next video. I'm not gonna have any more spoilers. Yeah, head into the outro. All right, guys, it's the end of the video.
I know you guys are sad because you just want to watch thousands of minutes of me.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, which will be pretty soon, actually. I think it'll be like really soon, actually. I don't know when it'll be, but it'll be soon. So goodbye.